I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Gather your tools, like a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any specific instructions for your model. This preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's access the bulb. Depending on your Ford Focus model, you might need to remove a few clips or screws that hold the headlight assembly in place. These are typically found around the top or side of the unit. Once unsecured, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This provides the necessary space to work on the bulb itself without obstruction. With the headlight assembly out, you can now replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist or unclip the old bulb to remove it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan, so be very careful. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position and secure it with all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and properly aligned. Once everything is secure, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Drive safely with your newly replaced headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.